Very good morning to all of you. Thanks for joining us here on Mirror Now. I am Afrida Rahman Ali. Let's begin with some breaking news coming in from Jharkhand. Major development in the death of a judge in Jharkhand's Dhanbad, where Jharkhand police has now registered an FIR under the sections of murder. An SIT has also been constituted in this case. Police has formed multiple teams and has added that it will now probe all angles.
जो भी आज घटना हुई है उसमें पुलिस द्वारा अनुसंधान किया जा रहा है और अलग-अलग टीमें हैं इसमें लगी हुई है और जितने भी बिंदु अभी तक सामने आ रहे हैं, जितने भी पहलू सामने आ रहे हैं, सभी पहलुओं पर जांच की जा रही है.
Well, a video grab of CCTV footage just before the auto rammed into additional sessions judge Uttam Anand has now revealed that this could possibly be a deliberate attempt to kill the judge. Police have therefore instituted a murder probe after the death of an additional sessions judge of Dhanbad after he was hit by an auto rickshaw on Wednesday morning during his morning walk. The police said that ASJ Uttam Anand had gone for a walk at the Randhir Verma Chowk in Dhanbad when this incident occurred. A passerby took him to the hospital, however, he succumbed to injuries. Following that, the family has filed a complaint and FIR has been registered. The police has decided to constitute an SIT to investigate into this case, also to look into all the possible angles on the motive for murder. The SSP of Dhanbad said that a case of murder has been registered and all angles are being investigated. Also, the CCTV footage of the incident has now been made public, where one can clearly see how the auto moved from behind and hit additional sessions judge Uttam Anand, killing him. Later he succumbed to his injuries in the hospital. No arrests have been made so far. Well, let's listen into Mayur Patel, DIG, speaking on this entire incident.
जो भी आज घटना हुई है उसमें पुलिस द्वारा अनुसंधान किया जा रहा है और अलग-अलग टीमें हैं इसमें लगी हुई है और जितने भी बिंदु अभी तक सामने आ रहे हैं, जितने भी पहलू सामने आ रहे हैं, सभी पहलुओं पर जांच की जा रही है.
Okay, I'm now joined by Mr. Vikram Singh, former DGP of Uttar Pradesh, on the phone line. Mr. Singh, extremely unfortunate news because this happened last morning, but now the CCTV footage, as we can all see, clearly shows that there seems to be quite a deliberate attempt to run him over, to run Mr. Uttam Anand over. Now, he's a additional sessions judge, and that makes it extremely intriguing why anyone would want to murder him in this manner.
Prima facie, it looks that it is made look like an accident. I'm very sorry to hear about this tragedy, but now it's the job of the police. It has happened in the past. I would not like to believe that probably there are vested interests who would like to eliminate upright officers. I'm doing a loud thinking so that the police, I would advise the police to look into all dimensions, because on the face of it, it does look like an accident. But as you very rightly mentioned, the CCTV footage, if they are indicative of anything suspicious, even if it is a hint of suspicion, and even if there is no suspicion, they need to investigate and probe what were the high-profile cases he was handling, and also whether there were earlier threats to him. And thirdly, last but not the least, apprehend whoever is responsible for the accident, subject him to thorough interrogation, and unless it is known if there's a nexus between the person who made this accident happen or responsible for this accident and those matters that were in the charge of the deceased, it has to be worked out and investigated very, very thoroughly. Let it not be relegated to, eat dust in the record rooms, because this investigation should be done by a responsible officer or teams of officers. And all the cases need to be examined thoroughly, because I can give you any number of cases where exactly in the same modus operandi, responsible people in office, both in the judiciary and the police, have been eliminated. Therefore, it is a distinct possibility that if he was handling high-profile cases involving the mafia, this possibility cannot be ruled out.
No, you're saying this is an accident, but let's not forget that murder case has been registered, sir. So the investigation is now in the direction of a murder case. That is what we are given to understand. In fact, let's get clarity on this from Aditya Vaibhav joining us. Aditya, initially we were told, of course, that this is an accident that happened until the CCTV footage, which we are all looking at right now, shows that there were no other vehicles, just one auto rickshaw there swerving to the left, hitting the man, and then going, going his way. So, what is the exact information that you've got from the police on this? On what basis a murder case has been registered?
Well, yes. Initially, what happened was that it was believed that on his morning walk, he happened to come across an accident, a mishap, and then it all happened. But then, after initial inputs and initial investigations, as soon as the CCTV footage of the entire episode surfaced, it actually introduced an upheaval change in the entire investigation of the issue. Earlier, it was thought something related to Motor Vehicle Act and the violation of the same, if not a bona fide mistake. But then, after the CCTV footage has surfaced and it was apparent that the auto rickshaw actually, deviated from its initial path, hit the judge and just sped away. So that has intrigued the entire security apparatus there. And now, that being said, they are now investigating every single aspect related to it, and also the cases that were being examined or being looked after by the judge concerned.
Yes, so do we know already, Aditya, whether he was, seized of any high-profile cases, or, what are the reasons? Motive, of course, would be very important to establish. Is there anything that the police has revealed in this regard?
Well, yes. Initially, a couple of names have actually surfaced, and now the investigation agencies are dotting every I and crossing every T as far as the investigation is concerned, and they'll be back on this with concrete data or evidence supporting their notion on the entire incident.
Okay, Aditya, thanks for joining us, and also many thanks to Mr. Vikram Singh for joining us with his important inputs. Mr. Singh, if I can come back to you for one last point, that, this would be, of course, extremely unfortunate if it gets established as a murder, because here is a sessions judge, and as we all know, many a times this has happened in the past as well, where judges come under attack, sir.
You're very right. And now, of the inputs given by Aditya, I'm sure 99.9% it's a clear-cut case of cold-blooded, deliberate murder. And I would compliment the staff there for registering a case of murder. Identify the three-wheeler driver, to get his connections to the mafia and the people which the deceased was handling, and I'm sure you will crack the case in no time. In all probability, this is a cold-blooded, deliberate murder.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Vikram Singh, for joining us, and also Aditya Vaibhav for giving us the inputs.